Morning guys, it is 7:30 in the morning. Today is Sunday and I decided to plan a Valentines for me and my girlfriends. So I have already went out and I've went shopping. I've gotten a lot of stuff for the party. So this video you will get to see me set up, get ready, and do everything like that and see the full ensemble. I'm like obsessed with event planning but don't have enough people to do big parties, so I just throw things like this for me and my friends. COVID has ruined a lot of our normalcies. I still try to make sure that I incorporate what I can into my life. That's what I'm doing today, and I'm gonna go ahead and head out. I'm really excited to bring you guys along with me, so let's get my day started. I am off to Lebanon to pick up a record stand for my vinyls and my record player. I'm picking this up from Facebook Marketplace. Last week I picked up my dining table, and I'll insert a picture of what it looks like so you guys can see it. But if you are looking for furniture or anything decor, always check Facebook Marketplace first because you're gonna find some gems on there. I'm so happy to have this. It's a bit tarnished and a little bent, but like I said, this is what happens. It's not gonna be perfect if you purchase on Facebook Marketplace, but like I said, I'm going to spray paint this because it's nothing some spray paint can't fix. I'm not gonna spray paint it today, but I probably will record when I do decide to spray paint. Okay guys, so this is outfit option number 1. What I did was this is a dress already, and I just put a mini skirt over it, just a more springy pastel colorful vibe. It's a good option. I honestly kind of just want to wear the dress underneath, but I told the girls not to wear all white, and here I am trying to wear all white. But I do like this outfit. It's definitely giving tea party vibes. All right guys, here is another dress that I have. She is bomb. I literally spent like, how much was this dress? This dress was $10 from Ross. Come on now, like look at my body in this thing. I think I'm gonna save this dress for Bay. We're gonna wear this one when we go out. This is the next outfit option. It's definitely giving tea party vibes, but I don't know if this really goes with the color scheme that I have. It's super cute. I just don't know for sure if this is what I want. I think I have my winning outfit. So what do we think? I think this is adorable. It's definitely giving tea party vibes. I feel like a pretty princess in this outfit, so this is what I'm going for. This table's adorable. Say hi. I'm obsessed, guys. This is so adorable. Look at Jada with the balloons. Come on, girl. Pose for me. Let's get into this outfit. Ooh. Yeah. Pictures. Love. Of course, like every black person running behind. I'm putting these butterfly clips in my hair.
Honestly, I probably should not make comments for it.
You really shouldn't have, but it's okay. I would say we work for the money, you know.
So. Well, and then my exam got pushed.
To win.
I'm trying to get it for Thursday. I was so mad.
I don't know if this looks right, but it's just gonna have to work for now. Cause I ain't got time to make it look cuter. All right. Yeah, girl, check the pantry. Well, shit, I don't know if Lorraine took them all.
Do you think I should put this on or no?
What?
This chain.
Oh, that's cute.
Yes?
Yeah.
Alexa's such a little sweetie, so is Lorraine.
Unless she's hungry.
Huh? Oh, she's hungry?
I said unless she's hungry.
Hungry.
Mm-hmm.
Bitch, the look is complete.
Who, you?
Yes.
Oh yeah, that's cute.
The one time out of 4 times of the year I strike the hair. Grab. Got the juice, I got the lamp, got the camera, got the Fujifilm.
No, hand me my shoes and my purse over there. And then we can, I'm gonna put some more face powder on. We can go.
This is amazing. I can't even believe it.
What?
That shit would take me like 3 hours.
What, my makeup?
Yes. I am impressed.
They probably gonna be like, damn, bitch.
Like,
All right, let's go. I hope they're down there eating and enjoying
you were
themselves.
good under pressure.
Who, me?
I'm not.
Girl, no. I've become good under pressure right now. Any other time, bitch, your girl would fold. Like,
Yeah.
I mean, full blown fold. What? Full blown fold. Guys, this is the whole ensemble, and we've got the vibes set in here. We got Jada on the balloons. She did such a beautiful job. The tea party vibes. Everybody want to say hello? Look at this little centerpiece that we didn't even get a chance to use. It's not the angle. Let me see. It is. You look beautiful. Stop it. Oh, this is coming out real cute.
I'm happy someone's is.
Yeah, well, I wanted to keep mine. She messed your heart up?
Yes.
Maybe she can make a new color.
So I told her you're gonna have to make it.
So cute. I love it. Yes, it is.
Look at that. Like, what's
Well, you can clean that up.
It's not giving.
No, it's. Let me see yours. It's cute. And your look, you got yours already painted. I ain't got my envelope painted yet. It's so cute. Thank you. Come on. So cute. I feel so good. I'm starting this whole time. Okay, 3. I'm about to hit it. Okay, go. 3. 1, 2, 3. Times. Like Valentines. G. That's what I thought. Okay, yeah. Okay. I'm like, it came out how it came out. Yeah, that's like I heard. We gotta be in sync. We gotta be in sync. Watch it. 1, 2, 3. So good morning, guys. It is the next day. I had a wonderful time yesterday. It was like the best experience I could have ever had at a Valentine's tea party. Between the vibes, the scene, everything was just beautiful. I had a great time with my girls. I kept telling them, I was like, I really appreciate you all for coming because I had a good time. Like, it turned out how exactly it was supposed to turn out. If you've made it this far and you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that red button down below. You need bigger glasses. It's not gonna cut it. What, babe?
You ain't hold back on it.
I'm gonna let you drive it.
I was gonna drive.
Come on. Well, I'm gonna really take my time.
It's like a little picnic.
It is. It's our indoor picnic. It's so silly. You held out this whole time. I'm proud of you.
It was hard.
I don't know. My flower was nice. I like the purple and green. It goes good together.
That's what I told her.
With the yellow?
And our
Look,
cups.
she may have did look so. It literally plays off of everything.
I know. That's why I picked them colors.
You did so good. I sure had no idea that you was gonna do that. So we're painting tonight. You wanna paint our flowers?
Well,
Sitting
you
here.
can paint the flower. I haven't thought about what I want to paint yet.
It's hard to bag it, tie it and rip it off, expose my flaw. Ladies' room?
And the hallway to the right with the red light is the ladies' room.
Okay. Okay, buddy.
I don't really want to get the salmon because we already got salmon at home, so I kind of just wanted the crab cakes and the calamari.
I wonder if they always have it lit up at night. Where the valet man? We need our car. What's your Instagram, baby?
I want to show you.
That is cool.
Just a relationship really exists.
Like if I do a little alien. If I do like a little alien, look at this. I want like it to be like this. Kind of like the background, like all retro like. And then these Q-tips for the clouds and the stars, you know?
Yeah. Yeah, that's cute though. Ooh, I like this too.
He can be so naive.
Yeah, it is hard.
You want to do this?
You okay? We can still do like the retro.
Seriously?
No, please. It's no fun seeing the world from the same height all the time. Besides, with your strength parameter.
All right. I got my first
That's the reason
drawing done. And I drew hers too.
we thought maybe someone
She
would
just
come
wanted to do
and
this.
Magnolia